Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So we have English subject and today we have activity of circling. Okay, so today we need to do circle. What is exactly we need to do circle? Rhyming words. Today we have to circle the rhyming words. You can see on your screen many words. Many words with many words with vowels. How many vowels do we have? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. With 5 vowels we have words. You can see M-A-N, man. A vowel is coming here. Then R-E-D, red. E vowel is coming. N-I-B, nib. See, I vowel is coming here. And you can see B-O-X, box. O vowel is coming here. And see here B-U-N, bun. U vowel is coming. So the same, these words are with all the vowels. So here we need to circle the rhyming word. What is rhyming word, children? Rhyming word means the word which sounds the same. So we need to circle. Let's do it. Are you ready? See the first word here. See the first word. What is this? M-A-N. Man. So with this man word, we can see here this is a bus. In this bus we can see 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 box, 5 words are written. So with this man word we need to see which word is rhyming to the word man. Let's see and circle the word. See, this is M-A-N, man. So let's see with man which word is rhyming. See, C-A-P, cap. No, the cap is not rhyming with man because you can see M-A-N, man. The last 2 words are A-N. A-N. So these 2 words are A-N. So we need to see here also if A-N is coming, that 2 words, it means that 2 word is sounds same. It means that 2 words are rhyming together. So let's see like that. C-A-P, cap. No, these 2 words are different. These two letters are different. These 2 letters are different. So these 2 words are not rhyming. V-A-N, van. You can see A-N here and you can see A-N here also. So man, van. You can see the word is rhyming together. You can see the sound is same. Man, van. So it means this man and this van is rhyming. So that's why we need to circle the word van. Okay? Got it, children? The same we need to circle the rhyming word. Okay? You can see the rest three words. B-A-G, bag. This is A-N. So this is A-G. So bag and man is not rhyming together. You can see man and H-A-T, hat. Man, hat. Are they rhyming together? No, because here A-T you can see. Man, D-A-D, dad. Are they rhyming together? No, they are not rhyming. Man and van. These 2 words are rhyming. So that's why what we circled the word van. The same we need to see the next word. Which is the next word? See here. R-E-D. Red. With the word red, which word is rhyming here? Let's see. What is this? What is the next 2 letters? E-D. So we need to see where is E-D coming in this word. See this B-E-G, beg. Red, beg. Are they rhyming? No. Let's see the next P-E-T, pet. Red, pet. Are they rhyming? No, because this is E-D and this is E-T. So they are not rhyming. You can see red, men. M-E-N, men. This is E-D, this is E-N. So are they rhyming? Red, men. Are they rhyming? No, they are not rhyming. We can see red, web. Are they rhyming? No. E-D, E-B. No, this is B. They are not rhyming. We can see this B-E-D, bed. Red, bed. We can see E-D here and we can see E-D here also. So red and bed. These 2 words are rhyming. So we need to circle the word bed. Okay? Understood? The same we need to do the next one. See what is the next word here? N-I-B, nib. See here, nib. So this is I sound word, I-B. I-B. So we need to see where is I-B coming here. Nib, zip. Z-I-P, zip. So are they rhyming? No, they are not rhyming. Because, why? Because I-B is coming here, but here I-P is coming. So these two are not rhyming. S-I-T, sit. Nib, sit. Are they rhyming? No, they are not rhyming. Nib, big. B-I-G, big. Are they rhyming? No. Here I-B and here I-G. So they both are not rhyming. Let's see the next one. B-I-B, bib. Yes. I-B here also, I-B here also. We can see I-B here and I-B here. Nib, bib. Nib, bib. You can see the sound. These two are rhyming together. So that's why we are circling B-I-B, bib. Got it? See the next word. What you can see here? B-O-X, box. The word with the vowel of O, box. So we need to see the rhyming word here. Box and cot. C-O-T, cot. Are they rhyming? Box, cot. Are they rhyming? No. This is O-X and here O-T. So these two words are not rhyming. So let's see the next. F-O-X, fox. Box, fox. We can see these two words sounds same. X sound is coming same. OX here, OX here. You can see FOX, fox, BOX, box. These two words are rhyming together. So that's why we have to circle the word fox. Okay. Now see the next three. DOG, dog. BOX, box, DOG, dog. Are they rhyming together? No, they are not rhyming. See the next. TOP, top. Box, top. Are they rhyming? No, because this is OX and this is OP. So these two are not rhyming. See the next one. HOP, hop. Box, hop. Are they rhyming together? No, they are not rhyming because this is OX and this is OP. So these two are not rhyming. Now see the next one. Here you can see BUN, bun. The word with the vowel U. So UN. We need to see UN sound word. We need to find out now. Let's see. HUT, hut. Bun, hut. Are they rhyming together? No, because see here UN here and this is UT. So this sound comes like hut and this comes like bun. So these two not similar. So we have to see the next one. Bun, pup. P-U-P, pup. You can see UN is coming here, but this is UP. So these two does not sound same. So let's see the next one. Bun, cub. B-U-N, bun, C-U-B, cub. Cub sounds, is cub rhyming with bun? No, the cub is not rhyming with bun. So let's see the next word. What is the next word? F-U-N, fun. Yes, you can see B-U-N, bun, F-U-N, fun. You can see U-N here, you can see U-N here. These two words are rhyming together. Sounds are same. Bun, fun. Bun, fun. So that's why we need to circle the word fun. Okay. Now see the word, next word. Bun, rug. R-U-G, rug. B-U-N, bun, R-U-G, rug. Are they rhyming together? No. Why? Because here you can see U-N, here you can see U-G. So this sounds different. This is not rhyming. So hope you all understand. The same you need to just circle the rhyming word with the upper word written here. Okay, this is your homework as well. Do it and send it to me. Thank you all.